Alrighty, we have arrived at Chimney Rock, North Carolina, and the Esmeralda Inn has houses that you can rent, and we have rented the Rocky Broad River Cabin.
Can I help you?
Hello.
Hi.
And there's no curtains, that's kind of creepy. And here is the Rocky Bend Ribbon Cabin. And there's our view. Look, Caitlin, do you see the picnic table next to the creek?
Get those on fire.
Good. And this is a 2-bedroom house. There's one of the bathrooms, washer and dryer, the toilet. One of the bathrooms. At least the bathroom has I gotta quit going so fast in these videos. Are you taking this room?
Yeah.
Alright, Caitlin's taking this room.
This is cool.
And supposedly you can see Hickory Falls from here. The mountains are calling and I must go. Alright. Esmeralda. Okay. My shoes sound so funny on the floor. And here is the living room. You can make a fire in the fireplace. And we have a kitchen. And this must be my room since Caitlin took the other room. Caitlin, I'm not going to have any nightmares about bears tonight, do you think? Do you think I'll have any nightmares about bears tonight?
Maybe.
Look.
There are reminders of bears all over this place.
I don't know why you're saying that, Caitlin.
But they're also peaceful and friendly looking.
Except the one we killed on there.
I don't think that's real.
Do they put that there to keep the birds from landing on the thingy? I don't know. Cool. And I have a balcony because apparently Caitlin took that one. Cool. Oh, here's a... Perhaps I should hide this little fellow.
Everything's after us. Oh, I love it.
It's a secret place.
This is awesome, huh?
I thought so. I'm not going to have any nightmares of bears tonight. None whatsoever. Not any reminders of anything bear related.
It'll be a very good night.
It's going to be a very good night and a wonderful trip.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, look it. There's a bear on the window.
Uh-huh.